Assalamu alaikum. Today we discuss one issue that we face in Excel. When we open Excel file, we found an error. This workbook contains links to one or more external sources that could be unsafe. How to remove this error, we will discuss in this video. First, press Ctrl F, then type bracket and find next. Here you see the link is showing, therefore this error is showing. For removing of this error, you just disconnect that error by typing the value and press enter. Now you see no link is showing, and press save button, and I close this file. And when I open this file again, now you see error is not showing. Due to linking of this source file, this error are showing. And when we unlinked, remove the source, then this error has removed. Hopefully you understand this video, and if you face this kind of issues, then you can solve this problem easily. Thank you so much.